This sting is rated the most painful on Earth. One guard, one entrance, one colony's survival. But something is already coming for them. An army ant scout, the advance of an invasion. She smells the danger before she sees it. Behind the scout, a raiding column, hundreds strong. This is her only weapon. It will have to be enough. The next 24 hours will test everything she has. Paraponera clavata detunes 25 millimeters of pure defense. Her sting delivers Ponera toxin, tomine, a neurotoxic peptide. One sting. The scout is already disabled. But the main army ant column doesn't stop advancing. One down. Hundreds still coming. She signals the colony turned. The fortress must wake. Underground, more defenders answer the call.
The raiders are minutes from the nursery chambers.
A living wall coming. The colony's last line holds. Now the real assault begins. Each sting can immobilize an ant many times her size. But numbers can still overpower a single defender. She fights through pain that would drop a human. Dozens of army ants locked in combat across the routes. The raiders bring their own heavy weapon, the soldier cast. Size against venom, Pungla, the fortress's true test. The soldier's grip alone could sever a limb. She finds the one unprotected point, intact, and strikes. Even the raider's strongest fighter falls to this venom. The column hesitates. Retreat pheromones spread. The fortress holds. But victory has a price. She was stung too, Defimeth, by her own kind's toxin, misdirected. This is when the real 24 hours begins, the pain itself. Her colony of leafcutter ants recognizes distress and responds instantly. Colony cares Hermine. Cleaning wounds prevents fatal infection. She retreats underground, where the venom must run its course. Waves of pain roll through her nervous system for hours. Above her, the forest cycles through day and night. By hour 12, the worst of the wave begins to pass. Paraponera clavata means club bearer, named for her body shape. Her venom contains Ponera toxin, a rare neurotoxic peptide. Entomologists rank her sting a perfect 4 out of 4. Indigenous Amazonian tribes have long respected her power. Her eyes hold hundreds of hexagonal lenses built for motion. One queen, one future, everything the gods protect. By hour 18, movement returns to her legs. She climbs back toward the surface, toward duty. 22 hours after the sting, she stands guard again. No trace remains of the battle from the day before. The living wall reforms Tancred, stronger for what it survived. New workers emerge Tancred, the colony's future secured. She will teach this one what the sting protects. One colony, one battle, countless more still ahead. As evening falls, the fortress settles into rhythm. She endured the worst pain nature can offer endurance, and stayed. Not for glory, not for herself, for the colony. Pain, in nature, is rarely pointless Torley. It protects what matters. This is survival, measured not in size, but in will. Tomorrow, the forest will test her again. She will answer. In the smallest lives, the greatest courage often hides. Despite the fearsome sting, most of her day is peaceful foraging.